Hi everyone. This is a short video to demonstrate how to find Chinese genealogies on FamilySearch.org. If you don't have an account, you would come to this page and you could create a free account. I'll provide another video that demonstrates how to do that. For now, we'll just go to a page where I'm already logged in, and I'll show you the process by which you can begin to search for relevant genealogies related to your family history. So the first thing you're going to do is click on this search button here, and it provides a drop-down menu, and you're going to click on Records. It'll take you to this page that has this research by location map on the right side. Hovering over Asia causes it to highlight in yellow. You'll give it a click and then choose China as the country that you want to focus on. That takes you to the China research page. You'll then want to scroll down a little bit to image-only historical records and click on the China collection of genealogies, which, as you can see, has some 13 million images covering 700 plus years. That's a lot of images, and I'll show you how to narrow down your search. So clicking that link takes you to this page, which will allow you to browse the images. Browsing is further limited by surname, so if you want to find a relevant genealogy, you need to know which surname you're looking for and a geographic location. So I'm going to search for the surname Wang, as this is one of the most common surnames in China. Clicking on Wang takes you to this page where you have several different countries you could explore, but we're going to stick to China. The next level is the provincial level. These are the different provinces in China. And to keep it simple, we'll just click on Anhui province. Then it takes you to the county level. So you're gradually focusing in the country of China, the province of Anhui, and then the county. We'll do Jiapu. Jiapu is located here in Anhui province. Here's Korea, here's Taiwan, this is a little bit of Japan, so this is the east coast of China. And if we, go in a little bit, you can see the city of Shanghai is here, so it's inland from Shanghai. This is the major city in Anhui, is Hefei. And as you go in further, you kind of see the outline of Jiapu city as it is today, and there's this Jiapu lake right here. And that's the location that we're talking about. That's where this Wang family had moved to, and they produced this genealogy, tracing their ancestors back hundreds of years. So we'll just click on the top one here, and that takes you to an actual scan of that particular genealogy. It's 572 pages. If you click on this box, you can see a grid of multiple images that you can then kind of scan through a little bit quicker. As you can see, there's actually quite a gallery of kind of stylized ancestral images here with little bits of biographical information. Let's see what this is. This looks like, oh, this is a little diagram of the ancestral shrine, and then there's all kinds of information here about the family. There's also pedigree charts, which you can kind of see with this view as you get into these kinds of things. These are generational representations of different generations of the lineage. It starts here. This is the first generation. There's one line here that means one or first, two lines means second, 3 lines means third, and then you get into a little bit more complicated way of representing numbers. But this is the beginning. It has the given name of the person. Everybody in this genealogy is going to be surnamed Wang, so they don't supply that, they just supply the given name, and then it gives you some biographical information. Going down here would be the next generation and a couple of sons in this case, and then this would be the grandchildren of this person. You can kind of get the idea. I'll provide another video that describes how to actually make sense of these pedigree charts and how to read them. I hope you found this helpful, and good luck with your searching.